Temaribet, country. Temaribet, Lanta.
Today, we are going to dive deep into rule number 3 of subject-verb agreement. Be with me. You can take short notes on your tutorial exercise book. Rule number 3 in the subject-verb agreement goes to what if different phrases with of come with plural nouns. Which phrases change the subject from singular to plural, and which phrases change the subject from plural to singular, and vice versa. Okay. The first in the rule number 3 goes to phrases with of, like each of, every one of, none of, either of, neither of, and many a. When they come with a plural noun, okay, plural noun, the verb must be singular, okay, singular verb, or the verb with s, the verb with s, without s, okay, not without s, it must be with s, okay. Look, each of you deserves, not deserve. On a normal subject-verb agreement, we say you deserve. But when you comes with each of, the verb must be deserves, okay? Each of you deserves, okay? The other one, every one of you deserves, okay? The verb must be singular or with s, okay? None of my friends is here, not are here. None of my friends is here. Or either of my sisters has a job, not have a job, okay? Either of, neither of, one of, none of, each of, every one of tells us the nouns separately, not together. Most English speakers make such kind of common grammatical errors when they are speaking or writing. I hope you are going to construct a sentence which is free from error related to a subject-verb agreement, related to each of, every one, one of, either of, neither of, and many a. The next one is, what if all of, a lot of, a great deal of, most of, any of comes with a plural noun plus. Now you are going to see whether the noun is countable or uncountable. Why? Because if these phrases come with uncountable noun, the verb must be singular, okay? Singular verb, or the verb with s, okay? The verb with s, okay? What if these phrases come with uncountable noun? If the noun is countable. If the noun is countable, the verb must be plural, okay? With plural verb, or the verb without s. The verb without s, okay? Let me give you an example. All of the water is poisoned. All of the water is what? Poisoned. Now, all of comes with water, and water is uncountable now, okay? What if all of the boys, all of the men now are poisoned? Why? Because men, maybe students, whatever we have with a countable noun, these phrases come, the verb must be plural. The next one, many of, both of, maybe several of, and a few of. First of all, this phrases always comes with countable noun. So the verb must be plural, okay? They comes with a plural verb, okay? Plural verb, okay? A plural verb. For example, many of the students are absent today. Several of this class students are clever, not is clever. So, rule number 3 of subject-verb agreement goes to phrases with of as a singular subject or as a plural subject. Let me paraphrase the overall idea in Amharic. አንዳንድ ባለቤት ወይም ደግሞ ሳብጀክት ከኦፍ ካለ ወርድ ጋር ወይም ፍሬዝ ሆኖ ሲመጣ አንዳንዶቹ ሲንጉላር ሳብጀክት ያደርጉታል፣ ምንም እንኳን ናውኑ ፕሉራል ቢሆንም። ቀሪዎቹ ደግሞ ናውኑ ካውንተብል የሚቆጠር ወይም ደግሞ አንካውንተብል መሆኑን ቼክ የምናደርግበት፣ የመጨረሻው ደግሞ ሁልጊዜ ከፕሉራል ናውን ጋር ይመጣሉ። ስለዚህ ቨርቡ ፕሉራል የሚሆንበት ነው። ተማሪዎች in the case of each of, every one of, none of, either of, neither of, and many a, they come with plural noun and the verb must be singular. Okay? A great deal of, maybe a lot of, plenty of, most of, any of, some of. When they come with uncountable noun, a noun that cannot be counted, የማይቆጠሩ like water, like information, like furniture, like maybe equipment, the verb must be singular or with s. What about if the noun is a noun is countable, a noun which can be counted with numbers? The verb must be plural. Okay, so the verb must agree with whether the noun is countable or uncountable. Okay, the last one, plural nouns with these phrases like many of, both of, several of, and a few of. As I told you earlier, these phrases always comes with a plural noun, so the verb must be plural. Let's do some exercise. Okay, two verbs are given for you as a choice. You are going to underline or put your answer on the piece of paper. Question number 1. Most of the money has been spent or have been spent. You have 10 seconds. Great. I hope you said has been spent. Why? Because if most of come with uncountable noun, the verb must be singular. Okay, so the answer is has spent. What about what if the noun is countable? The verb changed into have been, but here it is uncountable noun. Many is one of the uncountable nouns like equipment, like furniture, water, powder, salt, sugar, and others. The next one, a lot of books has been purchased or have been purchased. You have 10 seconds. Great. I hope your answer is have been. If a lot of comes with countable noun, books are countable nouns, okay? We can count the number of books. That's why we choose plural verb. What if it was water or it was uncountable noun? It will be has been purchased. But here, the thing that has been purchased is countable, which is a book or books. So the verb goes to have. Question number 3. One of my fellows live or lives near my house. You have 10 seconds. If you say the answer is lives, you are right. Why? Because one of, none of, either of, each of, and none of come with any plural noun, the verb must be singular. Okay? So the answer is lives. Okay? One of my fellows lives here. Either of my fellows lives here. Neither of my fellows lives here. Every one of my fellows lives here. Whatever the phrase comes with plural noun, the verb must be singular. Question number 4. None of my friends is here today, said my sister, or are here today, said my sister. You have 10 seconds. If you said is, the answer is right. Why? Because this phrase with of tells us my friends separately, not together, which means none of my friends. Okay? None of my friends. That's why the answer goes to a singular verb. The last question, neither of my sisters black a job. Has a job or have a job? Put your answer on the comment section. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please share this video and drop your questions on the comments. Don't forget to join our community on Telegram, Facebook, and YouTube for more updates. See you in the next class. Ciao.